ازيكم. How to solve web WhatsApp is not working in your laptop or your desktop. Follow me to know how to do this. This is the WhatsApp and it's not working. Synchronizing chats one percentage and this for 2 days. The problem is you don't have any extra space for downloading. So you have to free space for you can delete your temporary file. How to delete this? You in the search here percentage, press percentage, then temp, then percentage again, then enter, and then click on this folder. This folder is filled with folders which is temporary. So you click all and shift and delete and then press yes. This will free some extra spaces in your memory of your hard disk, so it allow your WhatsApp to work. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Note that this is the problem. Sync chat, this one, it's if it's not working, it's not increasing, this is the problem. Share the video with others, please.